Hey guys, and in the post today came a package, Bricklink order, and we're going to open that and I'm going to show you what I got there in this package. I'm also working on my Bricklink store, so I got tons sorted out today and some uploaded and mostly sorted, but I'm just going to share with you what I got here on this package here today. So we're just going to snap open this envelope if we can, because it's kind of really done up well. Now this is the first time I bought from this particular person in Ontario, and nice pad of paper. He has it done up in a bag, the order, and ticked off everything that I have ordered. That's nice. It's in one of these little sealable things. And inside, he does sort of what I do. Puts everything on a piece of cardboard and into little bags. Now I had to buy these in lots of 4s or 6 or whatever in order to get them. I couldn't buy them as one, so. But that was fine with me because I can use them for extra parts down the road. These are for my Boba Fett chips that I am making. I'm making a whole bunch of slave ones just because I collect them. It's like a slave one army. So anyway, these are parts for that, and we'll see what the next Bricklink order that comes, because I got more Boba Fett slave one parts, and I got 2 more orders coming, so hopefully they'll be here tomorrow. So we'll open that up, and when they come, these are the great colors. Now I can get at it and finish off the ships that I had with odd color parts, which was okay for the time being, but some didn't even have the parts. So anyway, we're going to take them. We are going to rebuild the ships, and we'll put them on display, I guess. Someday I'll do a full overview of all my Slave 1 ships and show you that. Until next time, see you later everybody. Thanks for tuning in.